It's stupid early in the morning. And the alpacas are chilling. Good morning, my friends. Welcome to day 2. I'm going to be a bit quiet. It's very early in the morning still. But I've had a word from Richard. He should be here in about an hour. It's not a fantastic looking day today. But it's still early. The sun could well burn through some of the cloud. I'm just chilling with these guys, man. Look. Just wake up and there's alpacas chilling. Oh, it's so cool. Right, I'm gonna get a brew on. My airbed, it's not fixed. I had to blow up about 4 times in the night. It was horrible. Oh my god, I accidentally just filmed your bum and I'm very sorry. Was it out? No, it wasn't out, but I kind of I put your arse right into frame and I did not mean to.
It's probably going to end up on YouTube at some point. Right?
I guess.
That's it. I'm complete.
Hey! Whoa! I don't know, a little tit flap.
Oh, that's if you want to shut your window.
I guess so. The mighty Fox 2 V2 with its partner in crime, the Bobcat one. Isn't it brilliant? This is camp, guys. Isn't it great?
Inside loaded doors.
Yeah. So I was I was camped over there because I wanted to be out of the wind. And honestly, I didn't know this back part existed. But Richard's here now. The wind's calmed down, but also that person pitched next to me. So we've come into the back here. It's really nice and secluded. There's Richard. We're usually on intercoms, but his is packed in. He's crying. We're not very happy about it. We've spent about an hour trying to fix it and we can't, so that's fine. We just have to listen to my sultry tones instead of both of ours. But we're going to somewhere called Padley Gorge. We're about to leave the campsite. He's opting to go that way. I'm opting to go this way. Oh, dickhead, he's trying to race me. Go on then. Ah, no, something just flew into my helmet. Oh no, what is it? It's fine. Oh, lovely man. Cheers, man, thank you. See you in a bit. Peacock. Oh, it's a nice little Triumph. We're going right at the end, Rich. What a view. So where we're going to at the moment is called Padley Gorge. It's a really beautiful little gorge just outside of Sheffield. It's run by the National Trust, but it's listed on Guy Shrubsole's website as being one of the most inland temperate rainforests, or segments of temperate rainforest in the UK, which is why I find it really interesting. I actually did a uni day out there once to learn about heathland and moorland ecology, and ever since it's been in my rotation to visit when I'm in the peaks. A really cool place. Richard's never been. It's a lovely drive out there, so I figure why not. Oh, there is a fucking sharp left about coming up. Nice. Woohoo! Look at this landscape! Look at this place! Right then, we've just come out of Buxton. Buxton? We're on that epic road on the way in. Macclesfield Main Road or something it's called. So those of you who ride the peaks, this road is going to be familiar to you. This goes to Buxton, it goes to Bakewell, it goes to all those nice places that everyone likes to stop at. Also, small update is the intercom is working again, so I have him in my ear. Unfortunately, you friends at home can't hear what he's saying because I haven't turned the Cardo recording on. But it's fine, we're back in comms. It's all good. Oh, adventure man! He's got a sore bum apparently. Hello, back friends. I think we might be the most eco-friendly biking group at the minute. Do you know what I mean? You're on the fucking NC750X with a fuel range for mile per gallon of 80. And I'm on this which has an average range, average mile per gallon of 60. Which, as far as bikes go, it does make a bit more noise. Yeah, it is faster, yeah. But still, it's an eco-friendly bike. Kind of. Yours is more eco-friendly. Yeah, sure. There's Richard, we're talking about his burp that had some purchase to it. Anyway, this is Padley Gorge. Got roadside parking just up there. And here we go. This is a remnant of the temperate rainforest that used to stretch all throughout these parts and then up into Northumbria, I think. There's this river just carving a path all the way down, and you can see from the colour that it's probably a bit peaty and a bit acidy. And this is very much one of the parts of the peaks that have the limestone I was talking about, that just gets eroded and eaten away by all the acidic shit on the top. And we can see it's acidic because, again, we've got an acid heathland over there full of ferns and bracken and heather and bilberry. Oh, But then this mossy boy, look at all the moss! Isn't it so green? It's like everything's a weed nugget. Little weed nuggets. Ooh, scaly boys. Today's tree of the day goes to this gentleman. It's grown in a really cool way, super twisty. So this is a wishing tree. If you had any kind of ailment, any kind of health issue, any kind of wish, or any kind of bad juju, bad luck, you come in, you hammer your own penny in, and that penny is supposed to take that ill will away from you. There's quite a fresh one. Oh, where is it? I can't even get up. There we go. Quite a fresh one. And it's also said that if you take out someone's penny, you will be burdened with their affliction that they put into the penny. Cool. Nonsense, but cool. Right then, we've done our little jaunt over there, had a look at the woods. It wasn't a huge one, but it's a nice place to stop and stretch your legs while you're out on the bike. Plus Richard had never been there before either. Speaking of Richard, turn the comms on. The tractor revving up. You on calm? Say it again. It is, yeah. Right, I'm on. Are we good? Right, here we go, on the road. wow, let's look at that river after this car. Oh, nice little brook. Oh, with wild garlic. Love a bit of wild garlic. Don't think he was expecting to see anyone else. I reckon that might be where we're camping, you know, up on there. Well, this big hill right in front of us. Oh yeah, we're like 5 minutes away. Oh, fuck me. Yep. I made the mistake of trying to do that in third. I'll slip down to second for it. Sharp left. Very sharp left. Holy shit.
Continue on Red Lane, half a mile.
Fucking hell. Oh, fun. Horse rider. No worries. It does smell like mushrooms. Yeah. Hey up. I know, I love being greeted by a peacock. Oh, it's fucking amazing. Oh, and here we are, home sweet home. Hey guys. Hello. You're the sexiest alpaca I've ever seen after you. Fucking yob. Hooligan.
Oh, this is a good shot actually. No, don't walk off, you twat.
I am so super sorry for what I'm about to do, Peacock. But we need to go to dinner. I have a reservation, I'm sorry.
I wanted to do that.
I'm very sorry.
Hey, it'll be a cook anyway.
Chill. Stay. Chill. Oh, or not, okay. See you later, I guess. Chill.